Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's alright.
Hi there. I'm Stephen Smith. I'm getting ready to go in and wipe out some insurgents here in the Antarctic. Yes.
Sorry, Mr. Smith. Where are we?
We're in the Arctic, actually. A secret Iranian chemicals lab here.
All right.
The Arctic Circle.
How much training do you have? Like.
Actually, this is only my second assignment. I'm fresh out of boot camp, or well, it's more of a loafer camp than what I would do. But it's training nonetheless, and it's very rigorous.
Well, all right. And how is this gonna work?
Well, blue team's gonna move into the front door.
Sorry. You said team.
Yes.
There's only one of you.
I am blue team. It's a solo op, but we still get team designation nonetheless.
Are you serious?
I'm blue one. Yes.
But there could be like 7 terrorists in there.
Well, I guess I must be considered one of the top SEALs of the Corps here.
Of the loafer camp?
Yes, of loafer camp.
All right. Okay.
So we're just gonna head in. Blue team's gonna head in, clear the top floor, and then just find the insurgents and take them out one by one. Hopefully, take some prisoners if everything goes well.
Will I die?
No, you're completely safe. Best military squad in the Arctic.
All right. I'm gonna take your word for it because.
Excellent.
I'm scared.
Don't worry.
All right.
Okay, so you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I just gotta get.
All right.
Get warmed up.
Is that like your exercises or something? Like
yeah,
the loafer camp?
You have to do lots of quick turns when you move in there. So.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
I'm ready.
Blue one, move up. In position.
What are you doing?
Checking the windows.
Why?
Snipers.
Snipers?
Snipers. You gotta be careful, man. These insurgents are crafty. They're very smart. Alright, we're gonna breach the door.
Alright. That was really loud. I don't know if they know. Okay, I'm sorry. What are you doing?
It's a nice house.
Are you serious? Are you alright?
It's clear.
Alright.
I'll go clear the top floor.
Alright. Can I ask you one question? Oh, okay, sorry.
Doesn't look like they're on the top floor. They must be in the basement.
Can I ask you one question?
Sure.
Why aren't you wearing any SWAT clothing?
Camouflage.
What the? Where did you get that? Can you put it on?
Rico.
That's huge. How do you know if it's gonna work? You just put that together.
I know it'll work. Let's go.
This looks like a very modern house.
What's that?
What's a gun?
Sorry. This room looks clear.
They look very festive.
I think they must. I don't think they're Muslim. I think they're Christian.
Come on, Mohammed.
I can hear them. They mentioned America.
Why are you feeding me this?
It's time to go.
Alright, reach the door. Alright. Are you alright?
This will be very dangerous.
I'm scared.
Check your weapons.
I don't have a weapon.
You should have thought of that before we came to a battlefield.
Are you kidding me?
This is so cool.
I'm a cameraman.
It's alright.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Alright.
On the count of 3.
1,
1, 2,
okay.
3.
Do some crazy moves. Yeah, crazy. Do some crazy.
Right.
Yes.
Get down! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground right now! Yeah! That's right! You submit to America! Yeah!
You're going to make me.
The power of the American Army!
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.